In this video, I'll show you how to add icons to your Figma designs for free in a simple and efficient way. First, open your Figma file and make sure you're inside the canvas where you want to place the icon. Then, click on the Plugins tab. This is where Figma's powerful icon tools live. One of the easiest options is Icons 8. Search for Icons 8, click on it, and press Run. Inside the plugin, you can browse thousands of free icons, illustrations, and symbols. You can switch between different styles, search by keyword, and instantly insert an icon into your design with a single click. You can also choose the format, such as SVG or PNG, depending on your needs. Another great free option is Iconify. Go back to Plugins, search for Iconify, and run it. Iconify gives you access to multiple popular icon libraries in one place. Simply search for the icon you want, click it, and it will be added directly to your Figma file as a fully editable vector. That's it. Using these free plugins, you can quickly add high-quality icons to your Figma designs without downloading anything or leaving the app. This saves time and keeps your design workflow clean and fast.